If you use Gmail every day, Smart Reply can save you a lot of time by suggesting quick responses to emails automatically. But if you find it distracting or you simply prefer to write your own replies, you may want to turn it off instead. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn Smart Reply on or off in Gmail step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight to Gmail. Once Gmail loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where Gmail settings are located. After you click it, choose See All Settings so you can open the full settings page. Now you should be on the Gmail settings screen. At the top, you'll see several tabs, and you need to stay on the General tab. This is the main section where Gmail stores a lot of useful preferences, including Smart Reply. If you are not already on General, click it now. Next, scroll down through the General settings until you find Smart Reply. It may take a little scrolling, so move carefully and look for the option labeled Smart Reply. Once you find it, you'll see the toggle setting right beside it. If you want Smart Reply turned on, make sure the Smart Reply option is enabled. If you want to turn it off, simply switch the toggle off. This setting is very useful because it controls whether Gmail shows suggested replies when you read messages. Turning it on can help you respond faster, while turning it off gives you a cleaner inbox experience without the automatic suggestions. After you've made your choice, do not forget the most important final step. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see the Save Changes button. Click Save Changes to apply your new setting. If you skip this step, Gmail will not keep your update. Once the page refreshes, your Smart Reply setting is now updated. That means Gmail will either show suggested replies or stop showing them, depending on the option you selected. And that's it. You now know how to turn Smart Reply on or off in Gmail in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials, tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.